Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR or zip archives on Huawei Nova Y91. And to do this we'll need to open a RAR app I shown you previously on how to download, locate the files that you want to extract and click on them. Here select each of the file or instantly press on the arrow pointing up button to enter extraction options and unpack entire archive. You can customize those options however you like, but it's not necessary. If you want to change the designation where the files should go, click on the browse and pick that designation. And I want to go for the downloads folder, click on OK, then OK again, and your files will be extracted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.